I'm going to be showing you how to add photos as widgets on your iPhone. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So what you need to do is just enter the jiggle mode. Just go to your home screen, press and hold an empty area or an app until the app starts wiggling. And after it starts wiggling like this, just look at the top left where you can see the edit option. Just go ahead and tap on the edit option, and you have options like add widget, customize, edit wallpaper, and edit pages. Just go ahead and tap on add widget. After you're here, you can see photos right over here, right next to TikTok. Just go ahead and tap on this option right here. And now you have options of what kind of photos you want to add as widget. It could be your featured photos in a square form or a rectangle form, a bigger one. It could be an album. So it's completely up to you. Just go ahead and tap on add widget. And as you can see, a photo widget has appeared. So that's how you add photos as widgets on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.